Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. White hair to black hair naturally permanently. Premature graying is one of the maladies of modern lifestyle. Those dreaded streaks of silver and white pop up even when you are in your 20s. And the only option you are left with is to look for foolproof home remedies to turn your gray hair into black. They may say that graying is a sign of wisdom and maturity, but it also tells you that your body is not producing enough melamine, which is an early sign of aging. The first step is to learn to eat right. Yes, it does make a difference. Lots of greens, a beet a day, fresh fruits and veggies and lots of yogurts are what you must eat regularly. Such a diet will not only make your skin smooth and soft but will also result in lustrous long hair. As far as graying of hair goes, don't open those harmful chemical bottles so soon. Help is right in your kitchen. Yes, it is possible to get rid of gray hair naturally. Here are 8 home remedies to get rid of gray hair naturally. Number 1. Shikakai powder. Make a paste of shikakai powder and yogurt and rub it into the scalp. Wash off after half an hour. Shikakai powder has been used in Ayurveda since ages for healthy hair. It is a natural shampoo and an effective way to reduce graying. Regular use will lead to a healthier scalp, and you will notice hair growth. Pamper and nourish your hair with these home remedies and delay the graying of hair. A good nutritious diet also plays a major role in contributing to flaunting a shiny, beautiful mane. Number 2. Onion juice. Mix 2 to 3 teaspoons of onion juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Massage into the scalp and hair and wash off after half an hour. An effective solution for graying hair, onion also promotes hair growth. It increases the enzyme, catalase, thus darkening the hair. When combined with lemon juice, it gives a shine and bounce to the hair. Number 3. Ridge-gourd oil. Place a cupful of sun-dried ridge-gourd pieces in coconut oil, and leave to seep and mature for 3 to 4 days. Boil the oil for a few minutes. Strain and store, massage into the scalp and hair at night, and wash off with a herbal shampoo of your choice. Ridge-gourd or tori contains enzymes which restore the pigment, melamine in the root of the hair as well as strengthening them. Coconut oil is a natural conditioner making unruly hair manageable. Number 4. Curry leaves and oil. Boil a cupful of curry leaves in a cup of oil till they turn black. Cool, strain and store. Massage into hair 2 to 3 times a week. Leave overnight. Curry leaves are full of vitamin B and help to restore the pigment melamine in the hair follicles, and prevent further graying. It is a rich source of beta-carotene, and also prevents hair fall. This home remedy does more than just prevent pesky grays. Number 5. Amla and methi seeds. Add 6 to 7 pieces to 3 tablespoons of an oil of your choice, and boil for a few minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. Cool, strain and apply generously all over the scalp at night. Use a mild herbal shampoo to wash off in the morning. Amla and methi together make for one of the best natural remedies for gray hair. Indian gooseberry or amla is a rich source of vitamin C, and has been used in Ayurveda for all kinds of hair problems. Fenugreek or methi seeds are full of several nutrients, and the combination of these super ingredients not only prevents premature graying but also promotes hair growth. Number 6. Black tea rinse. Boil a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of black tea in a teaspoon of salt. Cool and apply generously on freshly washed hair. Allow drying. Repeat regularly to darken gray strands. Black tea has caffeine which is loaded with antioxidants. While adding a natural dark hue to the hair, stimulates hair growth and strengthens it, giving it a shine. Treating your hair to a black tea rinse will not only help you get rid of gray hair naturally but also leave your hair looking shinier than before. Number 7. Almond oil and lemon juice. Mix almond oil and lemon juice in the ration of 2 to 3. Massage well in the scalp and hair. Wash off after 30 minutes. Almond oil has vitamin E, which is extremely beneficial for hair. It nourishes the roots and prevents premature graying. Lemon juice not only adds gloss and volume to hair but also promotes healthy hair growth. Almond oil and lemon juice are both easily available ingredients that can help you get rid of gray hair naturally. Number 8. Henna and coffee. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder to boiling hot water. Cool and make a paste with henna powder. Let it rest covered for a few hours. Mix in 1 tablespoon of any oil of your choice, and apply liberally, covering the hair completely. Wash off after an hour. Henna is a natural conditioner and a colorant, and when combined with coffee, it gives excellent results. Henna is in fact an age-old home remedy to turn gray hair into black. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.